Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to report a fake Facebook account. Open up the Facebook app on your phone and make sure it's updated and you are logged in. Now, open up the profile of the person by searching in the search bar at the top right of the screen. Here I'm going to randomly select a profile and open up the profile. In the profile page, tap on the three dots beside message and this will open up the profile settings. In the profile settings, locate and tap on report profile. Now Facebook will ask you to select a problem. You tap on fake account or fake page depending on how the profile is. Now I'm going to tap on fake page. So then you click on submit or the done button at the bottom of the screen. So this is how you can report a fake account on Facebook. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.